Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, May the 21st, 2012. Well, a change of trend today. Officially we have a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had a candle that made a higher high but a lower low in bar chart terms. An outside day, a day that did raise doubt about continuation of that prior trend to the downside. If we look at that prior trend, we had some very large black body candles, but at the end of the trend here we had two small bodied candles, spinning top candles, which are candles of indecision and did set this market up for that change of trend. We then had a bullish engulfing type candle following that, without that change of trend, and strongly suggested that we would see this change of trend that has occurred today, with the candle making a higher high and a higher low. A white bodied candle once again, so a candle where the buyers have made net bullish progress, but they haven't made as much bullish progress as the previous candle, so that does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside. It's approximately half the amount, so the buyers have lost some momentum. We have a small shadow on the bottom of this candle, and that represents the sellers losing commitment down around the lows around 127. So quite important that for the previous four trading days, the sellers have continually lost commitment as the trading day went on. In terms of support and resistance, the market is retracing back towards the previous support level at 128.57, and there is strong potential for that area to hold as resistance for this market. But more importantly, the market is trading at the Tenkan-sen at the moment. As I mentioned with the S&P 500, very often when we have very strong downside momentum, the first area where we find resistance is at the Tenkan-sen, and we're starting to see that today as this current candle is developing, this black body candle, and we are seeing some selling coming in around that area. So that is very important for the market as the market trades throughout the day now through to tomorrow. That has potential to be very, very strong resistance, and it wouldn't surprise to see the market sell off again and even perhaps change trend. So we should be watching the low of the current candle. If we do change trend, then we do have strong support below this 127 area where we saw this previous upside rejection, and then down to 125.86. In terms of Ichimoku, the market is bearish in the long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, bearish in the medium-term time frame by trading below the Kijun-sen, but basically neutral in the short-term time frame by trading at the Tenkan-sen. The Kijun-sen is pointing flat, and price action has been attracted back towards there, so that's what we've seen over the previous few days. There's a possibility that the market can trade back up to the Kijun-sen, but we will need to trade above the Tenkan-sen, where I'm expecting to find strong resistance. So moving forward, let's watch the high of the current candle and the area around the Tenkan-sen. If we do approach the 128.57 and have a bullish breakout above there, then we could see the market trading up to the Tenkan-sen or just around there at 129.68 roughly. But if we do see the market come off, watch the low for a potential lower high and lower low again. But we do have some solid price rejection down below here at around 127 down to about 126.40.